Back to the Love Health Market Homestead. Woo! I'm Kayla and got my baby here. He's naked because he just took a major poop. Trey's in the back washing diapers. And I just want to give you guys an update. There's a lot of changes that have been going on in the homestead. We now have a deck that Trey has made from recycled pallets. It looks freaking awesome. I'm so excited to finish this. We just have to put a liner in the front to make sure no bugs get in, but we've lined the bottom with plastic to ensure that no weeds grow through. And yeah, so other than that, what else have we done? Oh, Trey has made me an awesome dragon fruit trellis that I'm gonna show you in a second. Here it is. So this trellis we also made from recycled pallets. Jesus, excuse me. We also made this from recycled pallets. Trey used some 2x4s to structurally stabilize it, but he nailed it to the beam that holds the fence together that is in the ground with cement. So it's a very sturdy structure. And my dragon fruit has been growing like crazy recently, so I really needed this. I'm actually about to pot these up into their forever homes. Dragon fruit can grow pretty large in a pretty small pot, so honestly I could keep them in here, but I'm gonna move them up to a 1 gallon like how I did that one yesterday, and those will be their forever homes. I'm gonna use one more here. So each pallet, essentially, like each beam, will have 2 dragon fruit, and hopefully that's enough because these get really crazy when they're fully mature. I'm gonna do a garden tour at some point soon because the homestead looks totally different now. Our grapes have grown 4 times the size since you originally seen them, and they're gonna get even bigger than that. But like everything is just taking off right now. It's officially rainy season. We've been getting a lot of rain, so there's been a tremendous amount of growth in the garden since my last garden tour. It looks a mess. Our garden always looks a mess when I decide to record, but it's usually because we have so many things that we're doing at that time. But yeah, just a little quick glimpse of what is growing in the garden right now. These beds look totally different than when I did the last garden tour. So stay tuned for that. Right now, I'm just going to show you guys how I pot up this dragon fruit and place it along the trellis. Let's try that again. So I also wanted to show you guys this abundant squash plant. I remember telling you how I have never been able to grow squash, and I have not. Typically, before it gets anywhere close to this size, leaf miner borers get to it and totally destroy it. I had a squash plant over in that far bed way out there, and that one did get attacked by leaf miner borers. So I'm thinking part of it is the fact that it's in this pool, which is a raised bed that is a totally disconnected system. But you guys can see this thing is loaded with squash. Like, there's like 5 squash in there. These are all female. And then this one back here has squash. There's butternut squash here, the long neck variety. There's 2 more, and there's 2 more there. This is crazy. This is the most squash I've ever grown. I'm so thankful for my best friend for gifting me this pool, because now whenever I grow something like squash or anything that's susceptible to leaf miners, I'm going to grow it in a separate raised bed that is disconnected from the elements of just the mycelium, like this web of internet. I don't know how the leaf miners know that this is here and that they should attack it, but I feel like the pool really does something for that disconnection. So yeah, shout out to the squash. I'm only gonna fill the bottom of these pots because there's already a good amount of soil in those drainage tanks. These are so prickly, you have to be careful when you're repotting them. Oh. That's just one. Here is two. Ow. And three. Also very fragile, so you don't want to let them lean too much when you repot it. So I'm gonna get a bucket with some compost and just top these off. Eventually this will climb up, fall over, and the fruit will hang, and that's how you grow dragon fruit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click that like button if you want to see more of this beautiful baby gardener. And thank you so much for all your support. Until next time.